Belum dibahas.
Oke, Miss absen aja ya.
Belum.
Warna konaan.
Itu sih.
Muhammad Ahmad Sabian.
Present.
Yola Raini. Present. Nova Ilham Ramadan.
Present.
Zalfa Hana Humaira.
Present.
Iklimah Farunisa. Present. Rosi Maldini. Present. So, do you know why your friends are not attending this class?
I don't know, Miss, because maybe they're lazy and lazy.
Also, there's no keterangan ya?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no reason. So I would like to give them A on the attendance list. Before that, who wants to lead the parade?
Wow.
Wow. Let's go. As we have a new
For
class.
studying, let's pray together. Begin.
Amin.
Kalian yang begin.
Okay, thank you, Noval. Okay, guys, for today's meeting, I would like to give you some material that I think important to you because you are already in 10th grade in high school. It's kind of different from junior high school and elementary school, and I think it's not including in that level of school. So today I would like to give you some listening class. So here I want to ask you guys, who knows what is listening? Hey, please pay attention.
Listening.
Listening. What is the definition of listening?
Listening.
Is paying attention to any sound.
To any sounds.
Yeah.
Okay, and then anyone else? Boleh, Oci?
Hearing something by
Paying.
by attention apa sih dengan masuk ke situ.
Okay, good. Thank you, Hana, Oci. What is listening? Come on, please. Read.
What is listening? To hear something with
Wait,
thoughtful attentions, give considerations, be aware giving to ears but only one mouth.
Yes.
Because listening is twice as hard as talking.
Okay, can you explain in bahasa what the slides mean?
Karena kita diberikan dua telinga tapi satu mulut.
Because
Karena listening itu bisa
dua
kali mendengar.
Because listening is twice as hard as talking. Dua kali lebih sulit daripada berbicara. So, what is listening? Listening is to hear something with thoughtful attention. So, when we are listening for our lecturer, our teacher, our friends, when they talk about their story, it's including in listening, not hearing. Nah, hearing versus listening. Davin, can you read the
Of course.
slide?
Hearing versus listening. Hearing is like breathing. It is automatic, effortless, and biological act. There is no understanding or appropriate response. While listening needs to be focused and intentionally. It involves hearing, receiving, comprehending, and responding.
So, what do you get from the
Ya,
slide?
mendengar sama biological act. There is no understanding or appropriate response.
Okay. While listening,
Saat listening kita harus fokus dan secara intentionally ini termasuk mendengar kayak pokoknya menyimak dengan fokus.
okay. So lip hearing is like automatic response from our body. It's effortless and biological act. So without effort, we can hear some sounds that we are not used to hear that sounds. Like we are hearing now. There are some music and sounds of bird, sounds of the fan, misalnya. So it's hearing. It's effortless and biological. It's automatic from our body. And then while listening is need to focus and intentionally. It needs some focus and respond to the sounds that we are here. And it involves hearing. Hearing is not always listening, but listening is always hearing. And then it also involves receiving information. Like now I'm talking to you guys. You can get some information and receiving information from me and comprehending the content that sounds give you. And then responding like when your friends talk to you guys. You have to give some response for them. So it includes two listening. And then one listen. There are four reasons why we have to listen. Number one is to receive information. Of course, when we listen, we get some information, we get some point from the sounds, like when we are watch movie, we can get some information from that. When we listen for our teacher, for the announcement from any sources, we have to listen, not hearing, because we have to receive the information. That if we do not receive the information, we just hearing, not listening. And then the second one is to understand effectively. So if we want to understand the content or the point that sound gives to us, we have to listen to understand the content. If we not, we only do the hearing. Okay. So if you want to understand the content, we have to listen. Atau in bahasa itu menyimak ya. And then to enhance clarity, it means we receive the information clearly and now ambiguity. So it includes to listening. To empathize is to emphasize the meaning of the message from the sound. So when we listen, we have to receive the meaning about. How the speakers organize their speech. Okay, probably it's for who like to listen some speech. I have one apa namanya? No. One apa? Cara one way to Commonly, speakers only focus on one main area. Very often, speakers will introduce the main idea or okay. Next slide is how do speakers organize their speeches. Next slide is focus on the speech, yeah. When your teacher explain in front of you guys, it includes in speeches because commonly speakers only focus on one main idea. Very often speakers will introduce the main idea or at the beginning of the speech. So many speakers tell the main idea of their speech in the beginning of the speech. For example, okay, I will tell you about Google Buddha. It's oftenly told at the beginning of the speech, so we have to pay attention at the beginning of their speech to comprehend, to receive the main idea of the speech. Okay, this is the tips for good listening. For the first is listen carefully. Listen carefully. Of course, if we wanted to understand the content and comprehending the information, we have to listen carefully without any movement, any disruption. Anything, we have to listen carefully with clearly mind, clearly situation. Environment is also support us when we listen. And then understanding the content, of course, it's listening, not hearing. We have to understand the content. So it relates to the first point, listen carefully to understanding the content. And the third is mentally and physically prepared to listen. Okay, when we listen to some sound, we have to ready mentally and physically because environment of where we are is also support us when we listen, and our mental is also support our listen comprehension. So apa namanya memastikan to make sure that the mental and physical are prepared to listen. And then don't talk too much. Of course, you have to pay attention for the speaker or for the sounds because we have to understand the content and take notes for particular point. If you feel the point are important, so you can take notes for particular point. And then listen with empathy. Listen with empathy is ikhlas. In bahasa itu ikhlas. Jadi kita merasa nyaman, ikhlas saat mendengarkan, then we can get the point and understand the content. So, and the next is face the speaker. Of course, we have to pay the attention for the speaker. We do not play anything that can ruin our focus. So we have to face the speaker and then focus on the content, of course. Thank you. Before that, I have one. For the exercise, I wanted to create some group include 2%. 2% in one group.
2% in one group.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who wanna? Siapa yang mau sama siapa?
Aku sama Imo.
Iya, mana emoji?
Ketiga, oke, David A. Okay, David, can you sit front of Imoy?
Oke, David.
Kenapa maaf sih?
And Ichi, you can sit or Imoy pindah ke sisinya Ochi.
Jadi Oci di sini aja. Oci.
Kan ke sisinya di sini.
Miss, you look so pretty today.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, hi, also.
Miss, jangan
Miss sudah nggak sabar.
Oke, udah? 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 Hey, pay attention please.
Ya.
So, who in the group who wanna be the speaker, wanna be the listener? Just one.
You choose.
You the speaker.
Listener.
Siapa? Speaker.
Listener.
Listener. Speaker dan speaker, and then lokal group.
Speaker.
Speaker. Lokal will be the speaker.
I'll do this.
Listener, and then speaker, and then
Speaker juga. Juga speaker.
so okay, because it's listening class, so the speaker will be talk about the activities that usually you do in the morning. So listener face the speaker and pay attention for the speaker. And after that, the speaker and the listener talk to your friend in front of them. And I give you
5 minutes.
5 minutes is enough.
It's enough.
Enough? Okay, I'll give you 5 to the speaker tells the daily activities in the morning.
Miss, itu for the weekend or weekdays?
Bebas.
Mas.
Bebas. But you can tell to the speaker that yeah, this is the morning routine in weekend usually like.
Okay.
Do you get guys?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Start to now.
Because I shower. If I not lazy. And cinnamon. Spend my time with my
Waiting for the
sampai makan
English.
so until sunset and after that dinner with
Hana lupa dan
Waktu lama dia mungkin.
So story itu kan.
Topel.
and take a shower to get to
Dan baik. Siapa orang?
and video call.
Video call.
I stay.
Dan
Dan.
okay, for the listener, you ready guys to tell your friend morning routine in front of your friends?
Ya.
Who will be the first? Okay, Hana.
I'll go check that.
Halo guys.
Hi.
So I'm going to tell Noval's daily routine,
Morning
but
routine.
morning
Daily routine.
Oh,
daily
really?
routine.
Oh, the routine.
But it's on weekend.
Weekend.
So like in Saturday or Monday, Sunday, Noval said that he used to wake up late, like at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. And then when he wake up, he immediately opened his phone to check his girlfriend, he said.
Wow.
And then like check his social media and then prepare to have lunch.
Have fun.
And
So
then-
you do not have your
Lunch, apa sih?
Brunch.
Brunch.
Brunch. Oh.
Yeah, like
Okay.
like about that time, brunch. And then we finally took a shower and he decided to visit his girlfriend's house, he said.
Apel.
Yeah, I think it's like love slave or thing, I don't know.
Okay.
He visited his girlfriend and like spend time with her and then have eat again in her girlfriend's house until it's what is it? The dusk when the sun set and he decided to go home, to go back home.
Yeah.
And when he's home, he eat dinner. And then he take his second shower and just lay in his bed with his phone, playing games or scrolling through social media. And then he video call his girlfriend.
So you spend your time every day with your girlfriend? Oh.
Love slave.
Every time.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you, Hannah. Give applause, guys. Okay, who will be the second speaker? David?
So, I'll go.
Iya.
Okay, hello guys.
Hi.
Guys,
Hi.
my name is David. I'm here to talk about Aan's daily.
Morning routine.
No, she's telling me what is his daily routine.
Her.
Okay, her.
Yeah.
She used to wake up at 5 p.m. and then she start to pray subuh. After that, usually she had breakfast and then take a bath for prepare and then have to go to campus and then she go by someone else. Yeah, diantar seseorang.
Okay.
And then she starts study in the campus, and then she also break at 12 p.m. and then she start to pray to her, and after she finished and after the campus ends aside, she go to home with motorcycle again, and then he changed the clothes and prepare to have a makan sore. Dinner makan malam. Second. Okay, and then after that, she start to watching the TV show, and then when the azan maghrib comes, she start to play again, and then she playing her phone. If have a test from the campus, dia mengerjakannya, terus Isa prayers, and then she playing social media on her phone until sampai malam pokoknya, and then at 9 a.m. she had the bedtime.
Okay, thank you. That's a big applause for her. Okay, for the last speaker, Imoy. Hello guys.
Hi.
I will tell you about Ochi's
Morning
daily routine in weekend. Okay, so for the first, Ochi wake up at 5 p.m. a.m. and then she washed her face, and then she cleaning house, help her mother, okay, and then she wash dishes, and then she also not always wash dishes. She has motor for her motorcycle, and in the afternoon she lunch, and then she take a nap, and then in the evening she apa sih?
Sore ngapain?
Senang.
Jajan. After maghrib. Washing. She always jajan after maghrib, and then before maghrib. Jadi menjelang maghrib. Before maghrib, and she also watch movie like anime, and then anime terus drakor. Apa sih namanya?
TikTokan.
Variety show. Variety show. And then she go to sleep at 10 p.m.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Give a applause for Iklima.
So you guys
Good job. You did great. And I have several comment for you. Davin, Hannah, for the first speaker, you already delivered your friends' activities goodly, and also Davin, and also Iklima. And I hope you guys can improve your listening skill, also your speaking skill, because it still relates, yeah. homework is you can ask your mother's daily routine every day. Not every day, almost. Maksudnya tuh daily routine nggak weekend aja gitu maksudnya.
Most of the days.
Most of the days. And then in the next meeting, you have to deliver the result for your mother's daily routine in front of your friends. Okay, do you get it, guys?
Yes.
And because the time is up, I will close this meeting, and I hope we can meet again in another day. And thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.